In this tutorial, we'll show you how to import posts in WordPress using the WordPress Bulk Posts editing plugin. Importing data to the WordPress can help you to update some data related to the old posts or even add new posts to your WordPress website. Alright, to import data in the WordPress Bulk Post editing plugin, you need to upload an XML file in the Import Export tab, which is available in this address: WordPress Dashboard, IT Bulk Editing, WP Posts, and Import Export tab. Alright, so let's jump right into it and see how this is going to be done. There's no difference how much data is included in the XML file. You can import thousands of WordPress posts to the WordPress Bulk Post editing plugin at the same time by following these steps. Alright, step 1, uploading the file in the Import Export tab. To upload a file for importing data to our plugin, you need to click on the Import Now button in the Import tab, and then you need to click Run the Importer to let the plugin import the data. Then click Browse to select your file. Then click Upload File and Import. And now you should choose your user and click Submit. Alright, so the next step, which is the importing process, will be done automatically, so you just need to wait a few seconds or maybe a few minutes, and then it'll lead you right to the next step. Alright, now if you open the post pages in the WordPress, the imported data is also accessible there, and you can publish them or you can make any other changes to them.
What?